What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Holly's Garage. Today is the first day we're going to be starting pulling the motor out of the Subi. I'm out here with my boy Brandon Elliott. This is his dope little mini truck. You know, he's got a whole build. Let me just do a little show for you guys real quick. Show you guys, you know, he's got a cold air intake and got some headers, just a nice clean little setup. But yeah, if you guys like working on Subis and want to learn how to pull the motor out of your Subi, or you're in a situation where you need to pull your motor out, make sure you check out this whole video. We'll be showing you a step-by-step process. I got a lot of work today, so let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to get this bumper out of the way, this grill out of the way, and this hood out of the way. That's going to make the motor a lot more accessible, and we're going to be able to get a jack under there because, as you can see, it's pretty damn low. You know, you can barely get your foot sideways under there. So it's going to help us out a lot. Let's get into it. I'm going to put you guys in a time lapse. Let's go! Alrighty, guys, so we're gonna take off the bumper next. You just gotta pull out these little clips, use a plastic pry tool, sorry that's kinda hard to say, and just get that bumper off. Let's get done. So you just gotta pull these clips out with the pry tool, just get under them. Real easy. Easy money. Didn't break them. Keep all of them in a bag so you don't lose them. That's so important. I'm always losing clips, so yeah, definitely wanted to tell you guys that. What's up, guys? Coming to you with a little update. So we got the hood off, we got the bumper off, started disconnecting stuff, the battery's out. Next step, we're just getting some oil out of our oil jug real quick, and we're gonna drain the oil and drain the radiator. Stay tuned, man. We're gonna get this done. Everything disconnected. We're gonna pull this radiator out now. This hose is getting stuck. Yeah, just pull that back. Ready? Bam! Alrighty, guys, so we got everything for the intercooler disconnected. It's off of the throttle body and everything. Blow off valves out. Now we can just pull that bad boy out. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah. There we go. Now you can start seeing the block and everything. Got the radiator out of the way. Intercooler. So we basically got most of the stuff done that we want to today. Basically what we're gonna keep doing is we're just gonna keep tackling little sensors, disconnecting everything from the block, put you guys on a time lapse so you can see what else we get done. Stay tuned, I'll update you guys in a bit. So we got a bunch done today. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapses. Let me just give you a quick rundown of what we got done so far. First things first, we got that big radiator out of the way. Here, let me grab this light so you guys can see a little bit better. You want to shine that over there, Austin? Perfect. All right, so the radiator's out of the way. We got all the power steering lines disconnected. Got all the harness disconnected over here. Intercooler's out of the way. And we got all these AC lines and harness disconnected over here. We also disconnected the fuel lines right here. So basically our next step in the next video, we're gonna be disconnecting the bolts that go to the bell housing back there. We're gonna start disconnecting anything else that we forgot. And then it's time to start pulling this motor out of the car. Big shout out to my boys. Thank you, Dill Dog. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you, Austin. Appreciate you too. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please smash that like button, subscribe to see the rest of this build. And remember, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out.